Hey crew, my name is Lindsay, and for those who don't know me, I'm a fitness, nutrition, and mindset coach. And today I'm here to talk to you about how I plan my week so I can make sure that I stay on track for my goals. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about how to identify your goal and develop strategies in order to hit your objective, and then to sprinkle in a little bit of fun when you do hit your goal so you can celebrate and things don't always have to be serious. So what do I do in order to stay on track and maintain my weight, get stronger in the gym, and feel good about it? I am extremely clear about my goals. And what I do is I take my goals and break down strategies so I can implement them weekly to hit my goals. So now I don't have to worry about, oh, I want to get stronger, oh, I want to lose weight to hit my weight class. That's planned weeks and months in advance. All I do is stick to the regimen that I have written out for me, and I hit my goals. So what does that look like? This is a cute version of it, but you can put it in your iPhone or Evernote. All you need to do is have a blank sheet of paper or a spot in your phone to write down your overall goal. So what do you really want to accomplish? For me, I have a meet coming up in April. So what I want to do is add 5 pounds to my clean and jerk PR by April 15th, which is the meet. Maintain 58 kilo weight class in order to hit my weight goal, but I also don't want to stress. So if I just maintain it the whole time, I don't have to cut weight. And then stay healthy in order to avoid cedar fever is what we call it in Austin, but just be healthy overall. Flu season's going around, people are dying, people are getting sick. So I just want to maintain my health and eat in a way that's going to support that. So what I want you to do is write down your 3 goals, make them very clear, set an objective time where you want to end them, be very specific. These are called SMART goals, smart, measurable. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, so once you have your goals written out, right beside it, write out your strategies so you'll know exactly what you need to do in order to hit your goals. So let's take the first one. For me, I want to add 5 pounds to my clean and jerk PR by April 15th. What will I need to do? I just need to practice my clean and jerk at least 5 times a week. It doesn't necessarily mean that I will be doing the whole lift. I can break it down, but I need to work some variation of the clean and jerk at least 5 times a week. Another one is maintaining my weight at 58 kilos. That is going to be eating gluten and dairy-free as well as eating vegetables at least 3 times a day. I find that when I stick to gluten and dairy-free, I'm not as inflamed. And so that way everything is maintained and I'm not holding water weight or I'm not holding inflammation that can mess with the scale. With the vegetables, that helps me keep carbs and gluten and processed stuff off of my plate. The more vegetables I eat, the better my digestion is and the less crap I put on my plate because vegetables are filling it up. So those 3 things are going to help me maintain my 58 kilo weight. I'm also eating the gluten-free and the dairy-free is going to help me stay healthy. So these 3 things that I had said earlier, including the vegetables, address both of these goals. And that makes it really easy to implement because it's 3 strategies, and if I hit that, I'll already be checking off these 2 goals. So what do I do after I make out the strategies? It's easy. You take out your planner or you write it in your calendar and you plan ahead to make sure that you're taking, let's say, eating gluten-free. Eating gluten-free. You make sure that your meals don't have any gluten in it. That's it. Practicing your clean and jerk 5 times a week. All you need to do is schedule like clean and jerk on Monday, clean and jerk on Tuesday and Wednesday, clean and jerk on Friday and Saturday, and whatever. That's all you need to do. So that way everything is very clear and lined out for you. So there's no reason for you to miss your goals if you're implementing the right strategies. So I challenge you to write down your goals for this week and then 2 to 3 strategies per goal in order to hit these. Another tip that I have for you that's shown in this example here is that sometimes the strategies can be combined to hit one or more goals. So for example, the gluten-free, dairy-free, and the veggies, that's 3 strategies that hit 2 goals. So see where you can combine things to make it easier on yourself. And remember, once you do these every day for a whole week, celebrate. My celebration is going to be a gymnastics class or a dance class or a yoga class, but that's just me. I'm really into fitness. So what I want you to do is pick something that you can celebrate for. What's the point of doing all this work if it just continues to be work and you don't celebrate? Take the time to be clear on your goals, lay out the strategies, and then celebrate once you achieve them. If not, go back to the drawing board for the next week and plan out strategies that are easier for you to implement within your lifestyle. So what are you going to do this week? I want you to email me, comment, or post something that you're going to implement this week based upon your goals. Tag or message me at Lifestyle by Lindsay so I can keep up with your progress. Good luck, and I'll see you next week.